So here's an update on everything I've done to the car. Carbon fiber mirror covers, and that's about it. Come here, guys. Come here. Get out of there. And that's what they look like. They're a little dirty. Redoing the interior pieces. And I don't know when the last time I updated this, but those are the new rear taillights that the wife got me for Christmas, I think. Or a birthday gift. I think it was a birthday gift. That's bad, I can't remember. The car is lowered on just regular springs right now, but the next upgrade is probably gonna be a flex fuel kit and a turbo kit down in the long run. And I'm buying my wife some Godspeed coilovers for the car. And I think that would be probably about it for the car. For hers, because her car, you can't do much modifications to it.